Welcome back to Add Art. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw and teach you all about the life cycle of a frog. Now, before I do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell. When you do, you'll be the first to know when I've released a new drawing, like this one. Okay, let's hop to it. First, we'll start with the frog's eggs, which is called frog spawn. We'll do some circles, and these are laid in clumps on or near water, and they're covered in this kind of slippery jelly that protects the eggs. Okay, I'm just going to do half a circle so it looks like it's behind the first row. And in the middle of the egg is where the frog first grows as a tadpole. So let's put the tadpoles inside as little dots. Now a female frog can lay up to 4,000 eggs in one spring, but obviously we haven't got time to draw that many today. And apparently toads lay their toad spawn in strings rather than clumps. And the next stage of development is when the tadpoles break free of the eggs and they swim out. So bring its head up and around. Give it two eyes. It's pleased to be free of the egg. It's looking around for some water plants that it could eat. And it's beginning its process of changing, and that's called metamorphosis. Between 6 to 9 weeks, tadpoles start to develop hind legs, so we'll draw that next. Bring its head up and around. We'll just stop there to put these legs in. It must be very strange going from not having any legs to suddenly growing legs, so let's put a surprised little face on this one. Put the other back leg out the back there. Just put the gills on there to help it breathe underwater. Then after 9 to 12 weeks, the tadpole will have grown front legs as well and start to look like a mini frog with a tail. So let's draw that stage here. Put its eyes in there. Bit. Let's put in its front legs. And they really start to look like little frogs, and they're called froglets when they're at this stage. Make these back legs look a little bit more frog-like now. Have the tail getting a little bit smaller as well. And after about 12 weeks, this froglet will leave the water. And frogs are amphibians, which means they can live in water and on land. But let's draw it now fully grown. So we'll draw one eye. Bring its nose down, round towards the bottom of its head. Put its smiling mouth in. Its cheek. An eyeball in. And bring the top of the head around that, across, up and around again. And then down towards its back. Let's put its front legs in. Put these powerful hind legs used for hopping. In the back here. Bring it round and down towards its webbed toes. Just finish off its belly there. Around the back. So the front leg. Near the foot. Put some markings on its back. Just put this section leading from the mouth across its belly there. Now we'll have this frog out of the water, sat on a lily pad. Once it's fully grown, and if it's female, it can lay eggs of its own, and the whole process then starts all over again. Let's put the edge of the bank in and some reeds. This bulrush reaching up there. Bring that all the way across. Stop there for some more reeds. These leaves bending over. So one bulrush there. And a second one. Continue that all the way across. Just do the water rippling against the weeds there. And let's have the riverbank edge, the grass reaching down. Let's do some water ripples on the pond. And let's have the edge of this clearing here. We can put some bushes in the distance. Behind, and one behind that. If we stop just there, we can put one in front, with the one in front of that. And there we have it, the life cycle of a frog. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, before I go, just a quick reminder to check out all my other tutorials like these on my Add Art channel. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. Also, if you've enjoyed drawing along with me today, do give this video a thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who'd also love Add Art, then please share the channel with them. But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.